Okay, so now we'll focus on our attention in solving logarithm equation. Okay, so for case 1, we have the same base, right? If you look at your equation, we have 2 log base 5x equal to log base 5 2x, bracket 2x plus 3. Right, so now we need to solve what is the solution for x. Okay, so first of all, every time we solve a logarithm equation, we must make everything into the same base. The base is this, the 5, the small number. Second of all, we must ensure that the coefficient of the log must be 1. Okay, so for the right hand side is okay because the coefficient of this is 1, but the left hand side, the coefficient is 2. Okay, so it's very important to make it into 1. So I try to move my 2 to the x there. Okay, so we need to use the idea of I think the logarithm law lah, right? And third, we must move everything to the left hand side. Right, so let's do. So for the left hand side, where log 5x, okay, so when I move my coefficient of 2 to the x, now will become like this, equal to, right? And for the right hand side, right, log base 5 and 2x plus 3. Okay, so we completed the second step. Now we move on to the step number 3. Step number 3, move everything to the left hand side. Okay, so let's put right hand side first. So left hand side is log base 5x square minus away log base 5 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so the fourth step actually is to get rid of your is to combine your both, because we got 2 terms, right? The first term, the second term. Right, so we try to combine these 2 terms into just 1 term using our law number 2, where minus is equal to divide. Right, so step number 4, combine. So log base 5, when I combine, minus is just divide, so put a bracket, x square over 2x plus 3, okay, equal to 0. Okay, step number 5 is to get rid of the log. So how do we get rid of the log? Very simple. You simply just move your base 5 to the right hand side. When you move your base 5 to the right hand side, same thing, we need to use the law of our logarithm. So log, sorry, not log. When I move my 5 to the right hand side, now become like this, 5 to the power of 0. So my base become the big number, my 0 become like become the smaller number, equal to x square over 2x plus 3. Alright, so where 5 to the power 0 is just 1. Okay, so anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, then of course this will be the final step already, so we just need to solve for the equation now. So for this, we crisscross, right? So x square over 2x plus 3, you make it into a linear term, right? So one straight line, then after that solve normally like your Emaths like that, equal to 0. Alright, so of course when we have x square, we will get 2 answers. So x minus 3, x plus 1 equal to 0. Right, so x is equal to positive 3 or negative 1. So of course we need to be careful because some of the solution might not be accepted. Okay, so we look at our equation. We have log base 5x, right? So log base 5x, if you press your calculator, we can't have any log with a negative 1 right here. Okay, it will give us an error, so we must reject this answer. Right, so this is how you solve for logarithm equation.